Jeff Murray, Orange County Restoration Services. We're up at a property in Los Angeles today. We got a phone call from a real estate agent who received the inspection report from the buyer's agent. They saw some water staining on part of the raised foundation underneath the house, and they called out a small amount of mold in the kitchen. They asked us to take care of the kitchen, and they were going to have a termite company take care of the mold underneath the house. That doesn't really work because any work that the termite company does underneath could affect the post-clearance mold test inside the house. So I let the agent know I should come up and take a look at it. And here's what I found. Down behind the fridge, you can see that the drywall below the paint line is all brown and cracked. And that's a water stain right there on it. And you can see these stains on the floor. So something has happened to the fridge. I believe a water line failed. The water ran across the floor over to this wall, stained and water damaged the wall, and it made it down to underneath where the crawl space is.